about yogic fasting. In this video, I will cover the significance of fasting and how should we do yogic fasting. So first let's understand the significance of fasting. As we all know, 70% of our body energy gets consumed in digesting our food. So the purpose of fasting was introduced to give relaxation to our system, especially the digestive system, because when our digestive system is at rest, our body gets time to rejuvenate by its own. Now we will understand how should we do yogic fasting. In this we will learn what to eat, when to eat and how to eat. So for yogic fasting, we fixed a particular day of the week. You can choose any of the day in which you feel you will get more time to relax, you will have less mental and emotional activities. Fix that day and make sure every week you will be performing yogic fasting on that particular day. Let's suppose somebody has fixed this yogic fasting for Monday, then make sure on every Monday we will be performing this fasting. A night before the day you have fixed this fasting means, let's assume somebody has fixed for Monday, so Sunday evening we will have something light in dinner. Try not to have anything which takes more time in digestion, like non-veg, puri, paratha, pizza, something like that. Now the day will come when we have to do this fasting. So from morning we will spend our day with water only. Water at room temperature, you don't need to mix anything in that water. Some people add honey and lime in the water and then they drink. But in this yogic fasting, we will just have normal water at room temperature. Now, spend your day with water. You are allowed to drink water as per your body demands. There is no limitation for that. Once you feel that you are not able to survive with water, your body is demanding something to eat, then we break this fast with some sweet. Try to have sweet which is not very heavy. You can have one portion of the sweet. In the lunch, when you feel you want to eat something, then you can have assorted fruits, fresh fruits. Make sure we are not adding any kind of salt or spice in those fruits. In the afternoon, some people have habit of drinking tea or coffee. So you can have tender coconut or fresh coconut that time. If tender coconut is not available, then in 1 glass of normal water, you can add 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder plus half lemon juice and then mix it well and drink it. In the night again, you can have assorted fruits, whatever is available to you. Again, make sure you are not adding any kind of salt or spice in these fruits. If you feel that you are not done with these fruits, you want to have something more, then you can have again tender coconut in your dinner. To get better results, must perform this yogic fasting for at least 1 month. For more better result, we can perform this fasting 3 consecutive months. Yogic fasting is not a beautiful way to rejuvenate this body, but it's a beautiful way to tackle your mind,